Hey ladies, how you doing?
What are you looking at? What? What are you looking at?
Hey everybody, it's Irish Rebel here. I ran into a slight little problem with my lawnmower. Now I gotta fix it. So, wish me luck.
We couldn't find the same make. The fact that he's hammering with axe shows just how much knowledge we have. We had to buy this thing, a blade adapter kit.
Okay, so that looks pretty epic.
You want to tell them what you did?
Okay, so what I ended up doing was I had to put this blade adapter on it. Here's the old one. What happened was I sheared the notches in it. So that's not good. So what do I do next? Well, I had to go out and buy a new blade adapter. So I'm just going to pop this off for 1 second. So as you see, it's got this little pin in there that holds everything together. Sorry. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting this on. So I'm hammering it on so I know it'll fit properly. There we go. Oh, that's nice.
So all this other stuff that came was just extra?
It's extra for the blade, actually.
Oh, and the blade came with the stuff too.
Yeah. So,
That's pretty good. I got extras.
but again, we ended up taking a blade that's... No! Oh, it better fit. Oh, I hope this fits.
Do you want to try that one more time?
No, I gotta pull this off because it's not gonna fit otherwise.
Oh, okay. Can I show them the blade?
A second.
Okay.
Crack this open here.
Yeah, there you go. That's all you guys need.
Alright, so I'm just gonna rip this open here, see what we can get.
As an adult, these little things, you either find someone on Kijiji who can do it for you, or you do it yourself, or you have an Irish Rebel in your life.
Should have brought a knife.
I can go grab you one.
I'm pretty much there. There we go.
2 hours later.
It doesn't need this much action. Jesus. I'm what you call a non-trained professional. Don't do this at home. Use a proper equipment.
Like scissors,
Like scissors,
and a knife,
box cutter knife.
box cutter. Something fell, just so you know.
Yeah, that's the blade holder.
Oh, okay.
But I want it all. Alright, let's see.
Please don't tell me we have to sharpen it too.
Oh, it feels pretty sharp. No, it looks like it's gonna fit just fine.
Yay!
Okay, so how do you install this? That's the fun part. Now I gotta figure out how to install it.
I'd just like to point out, just because stores are running out of everything, we were lucky to find one of everything we needed.
And the funny thing is, guys, this isn't even the right blade for this. I just took a universal blade. It's for a riding mower. But hey, you know, do here.
To be, what's good though is he basically finished. once it crapped out.
Yeah, but given the fact that I use this for other people's lawns too.
Yeah, I'm just saying, it could have been worse. Could have better part is it just wouldn't have happened at all, but So what did you put in there?
I think it's just an adapter. Okay, just gotta make sure I know which side. That does not look right. I think it goes down this way.
It's not a really big problem because I like to do both. It's not a really big problem because I like to do both.
You go ahead and chit chat with them while I try to figure this out. That doesn't.
Well, when you get a chance, I want to show them the old blade. It put it in its work. She was ready to retire. Was that part of the new... What? That's what she said?
Oh, hang on. It is.
Sometimes you just need a nut to make it tighter. And she did say that.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, so this way up here.
And now I'd like to point out he didn't even watch a tutorial. Right now he is winging it based on what he had to do to take it off.
No, actually this is completely different.
Well, there you go. You gotta contradict me all the time.
Of course.
Good thing I know how to edit now. I can make you look real bad.
There you go. So is this the same size? No, of course not. It never is it? Shut up. So, tighten this thing up. Second there, if you want to show them the blade, you're more than welcome to. I'm gonna run to her shed so I can get my actual toolbox.
All right. Bought snacks for the kitties. Gotta remember to take those in. Where is the blade? Bet you he left it in the car. So here is the old blade. Is it gonna focus? Nope, gotta leave it a little bit further. You can see all those ridges on it. Yeah. Thank you for your service, girl, and we will get you recycled. Irish fishes so much he keeps calling it his tackle. Actually, I think this one was a Father's Day gift.
It was. Let's see if this is gonna hold the nuts.
What do you buy your dads for Father's Day besides tools and fishing shit? It seems very primal. Men are not good at judging size. I think he heard me.
What was that?
I love you. There you go.
No, you're dead, right?
What was that? I should kill everyone and escape? Sorry. The voices.
Supposed to have a bad day tomorrow, but it's not looking like the greatest day today either. They said no rain, so that means we're gonna get rain today. Did you find the right fit?
I sure did.
And what tools are you using?
I'm using a, since I'm in Canada, a 13mm wrench and a 13mm socket. I don't know what that is equivalent to.
I have to assume that's less than an inch.
You'd have to. Well, of course, it'd be less than an inch. I think it's.
As long less than an inch, that's all you gotta know. Maybe a quarter of an inch.
I hope I didn't put this in backwards. I think I may have put it in backwards.
Why do you say that?
This is the cut inside. I don't think it turns counterclockwise. You
can test it out, right?
Yeah.
Well, then let's just do that and test it. You can test it on this little patch right here.
Or too long.
Doesn't that wind sound beautiful? Whoa! You okay there, honey? How long have we been together?
22 miserable years. Yes. 22 years.
Nonetheless.
I will replace it for this one.
So it was too long? Was that the old bolt?
It was, yeah. No, it's not a 9. So, it's not a 9/16.
I swear, viewers, I'm not trying to get his ass every time.
Not even a fucking 15.
You can try the 13 again?
With a 5/8.
That's inches.
5/8.
See, I know some stuff.
Okay, let's see if this is going to be rotating the right way. Alright, bear with me.
So which way does it have to rotate?
This way.
So counterclockwise.
Yeah. Doesn't have to. Not sure. Here. Follow me. Careful.
That there's a cutter.
Wow, that actually cuts really nice.
Okay, what I forgot to show what you added to it. Just that little thing.
Oh yeah.
So, success?
Alright guys, well, I guess I'm going to let you go for now and I'm going to load up the car and go and do somebody else's one. See you later. Have a good weekend.